All right, so for this one, if I see the word or, that means it is a union. And so when I finish this bad boy, it'll probably look something like this, where I go this way and go this way. Probably, more than likely. So let's just do the math associated with this, right? So I'm going to say negative 4n minus 4 is less than negative 4. A lot of negative 4's there. Okay, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides here. Boom, boom. I get negative 4n because these will cancel, right? What? Oh, wait a second. They don't cancel. They add up to equal 0, right? But also, these add up to equal 0. Okay. So I want n by itself. So what do I do to get n by itself? Divide by what? Negative 4. So when I divide by negative 4, what's going to happen?
0.
Yeah, it's still 0, but there's something else. When you divide by a negative, yeah, we got to flip the inequality symbol, right? So this becomes 0. So over here, I'm going to put an open circle at 0, right? Why the open circle?
It's greater than.
Yeah, there's no equal sign, right? And then I'm going to go greater, which is this way. Does that make sense? All right. So let's do the other one. So over here, I'm going to say negative 4 plus n is less than negative 7. Again, I add 4 to both sides. I know. 4 minus 4 is 0, so I'm just left with n. What's negative 7 plus 4? Negative 3, right? So let me write down negative 3. All right, open or close circle at negative 3? Open. Why?
Not equal to.
It's not. There's no equals sign, right? Anything less than negative 3 is to the left. Boom. That's it. All right. Now this one, what is this one going to look like when I'm done? What do you think? And tell me why.
Union. Because it's negative in the middle.
Yeah, this one's probably going to look like this because it's an intersection, right? So it's going to kind of look like this. So this one, if I write negative 64 less than 6 minus 7m, right? All this stuff. I'm going to subtract 6 from everywhere, right? So over here, I get negative 70 is less than negative 7m less than 0, right? Divide everything by negative 7. This becomes positive 10. Remember, we got to flip the symbol, right? Why am I flipping the symbol?
Because you divided by negative.
Yeah. So when I go to do this, I'm rewriting it this way. Remember, the alligator's eating the 10, so I write it this way. Now this side, I just write how I normally see it. So I'm going to put an open circle at 0 and an open circle at 10. We're looking for values